Here is a quick guide to remove the yellow tint in Battlefield 6 using ReShade. Follow these simple steps to fix the visual instantly. Check my video description for this mod link, and here are the results. The mod owner posted it. This is before pic and this is after. As you can see, the yellow tint has been totally removed. After that, to do this, select the manual option in download and select the slow download option, and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. Now you just need to extract this mod. I click on it and select WinRAR and select extract to. It's the mod. And now open up new tab and search ReShade. Select the official reshade.me site. Scroll down and select the download ReShade with full add-on support. After the download done, click on it and select OK option. And now select the browse option, and you just need to navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is located, then check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path and then open the SP folder in your game directory. This is the game application. Just select it and select open option. Now the game application has been selected. Next, select next. Select DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next. And select the browse option, and you just need to go to downloads, and this is the mod we downloaded. Open the mod folder and select the configuration settings and select open option, and then select next and select skip option and select finish. Now the installation has been done. Now open the game. After you are in the game, just press the home key in your keyboard and the home page will open up like this. Select the continue option, again continue. The mod has been selected. Go to settings and effect toggle key. Set a key you want. I'm gonna set one key. After setting the key, go back to home and just continue, select the finish option and select reload. And now press the toggle key to turn on the mod. This is before and this is after. You can instantly see the results. To close this menu, just press the home key and I'll show you exactly what this happened. This is after results, and we are going to before results, and this is yellow tint. As you can see, we are going to change this, remove all the yellow tint in our screen just by pressing the toggle key, and as you can see, this works perfectly fine. And that's how you can do it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.